Hi guys! What interesting and new things in tattoo equipment you await on my channel today? We're gonna talk about the wireless pen that doesn't have vibration but has a powerful motor and can be used for a long time. This is Yilong F6, is from Chinese company Yilong, already familiar to us. Let's take a look and definitely test it. This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now, subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video, subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. One more time, let's talk about the company Yilong. The company was founded in 2003. They create tattoo equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup artists around the world for 15 years. Their products include tattoo machines, tattoo needles, tattoo power supplies, spare parts, tattoo furniture, and even tattoo books. Yilong's products also have CE certification. I'm starting with the packaging. In front of me is a black-red box with machine's name, its image and F6 logo. On one side of the box there are some technical specifications that written in gold color. On front of the box these technical specifications look like as gold badges. Let's open. Inside there is a spare wireless battery, Type-C charging cable. This kit doesn't have power adapter. I use power adapter from my iPhone. And interesting Yilong F6. Length of pen is 126 millimeters. It has a nice matte body and a red insert with bright iridescent mosaic. The machine weight is a little heavy. And ahead are the characteristics and more detailed of the device. In the technical specifications, the machine weight is 241 grams. We're checking together. On the scales is 223 grams. The device weight is a little heavy, the grip is wide, but the length is 126 and the good distribution of the center of gravity give good balance and dimensions. But if you worked with tattoo machines lighter early and you have less experience with different tattoo equipments, your hand will have to get used to the weight. Tattoo artists work with the same tattoo machines more often than permanent makeup artists. Yilong F6 has 3 colors of insert: red, green and gray. The price is about $130. Working voltage is from 4 to 12 volts. For permanent makeup I use from 4.5 to 6 volts, it depends on the skin and work technique. For tattoo I use a working voltage from 7 volts. The power motor allows you to work with cartridges with a lot of needles and thick contour. A big screen and simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold the middle button 2-3 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. On the screen you are seeing information about the charge, operating voltage and the timer that records the operating time of the equipment. The timer is especially convenient for tattoo artists because usually payment is made according to the working hours of the tattoo machine turned on when working with large compositions. The button on the left and right with arrows change the working voltage. The screen also provides real-time Here's information, allowing artists to accurately monitor and adjust settings. The higher the voltage, the higher the hertz. With a single battery providing 6-8 hours of work. It depends on your operating voltage that you use while working. With a spare wireless battery, you get 12-18 hours of work. Changing the battery is effortless. Auto to machine has a function is the same selected working voltage. Turn on device. On the screen we are seeing M1. There is working voltage 5.5. When the top pen is the power state, we press start the button with arrows and change mode. On the screen we are seeing M2 with operating voltage 8 volts. Repeat the action and on the screen M3 with working voltage 8.8. You saw that each safe mode had its own set voltage that you chose earlier. This function allows you to quickly switch to different techniques and work areas without spending a lot of time changing power. The needle stroke at 3.5 mm is hybrid. This device there is no possibility of changing the needle stroke. The needle protrusion is adjusted as standard by turning the grip with very loud locking clicks. Grip's diameter is from 35 to 38 mm. The holder is completely removable and it must sterilize. Of course, compatible with many cartridges. Let's turn on our pen. I'm going to work with double JX cartridge. My working voltage 5.5. Okay, let's go. The holder is a little wide for me, but I can put my fingers on the cartridge and work quite comfortably. There is no vibration, I don't feel it at all. The noise level is also very low. Let's sum up our video review, guys. Yilong F6 is a wireless pen from Chinese company Yilong, which create tattoo equipment for tattooing permanent makeup artists around the world for 15 years. The device weight is a little heavy, but the length is 126 mm, and the good distribution of the center of gravity give good balance and dimensions. A big screen and simple operations with 3 buttons. A pen vibrates very little. Yilong F6 has a functions with a safe selected working voltage. With a spare wireless battery, you get around 12–18 hours of work. Device can work with various permanent makeup techniques, liner work and dense color painting, light shadows, a sweep shading technique in the tattoo. You can also work with aureolas, scars and tricha pigmentation. I will leave link where you can buy this device from video description. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.